basement project, we installed the new ceiling. They didn't have any ceiling here. We framed the ceiling first, and then we installed the drywall. Our electrician installed lights here, and all this is brand new sheetrock, brand new lights. The heater used to be here, base molding still here. The windows trims used to be here, but all this is a brand new sheetrock, brand new light, and paint. This is just the primer. We still have to apply another 2 coats. This wall is a brand new wall. We're going to install cabinets in the back. We framed it first, then we installed the drywall. As you see, the corner, the metal corner. We still have to tape and spackle, another 2 coats of spackle, and then we're going to prime and paint. And then behind it, we're going to install shelves and like a table, but the table is going to be like shelf into the wall, about this size till here. Then we're going to install legs underneath. So this is the first stage, installing the framing, installing the sheetrock. Then we're going to sand it, prime it, and paint it. This section of the basement used to be also shelves and tables. We removed it. As you see right now, the guys are fixing all these walls. We've got new boxes for the electric work, new outlets, and all this is fresh spackle, so we need to apply. This is the first coat. We're going to apply the second coat, and tomorrow morning we're going to prime this wall. Monday morning we're going to finish and paint this room, and then we're going to start installing the cabinets in all this room. This is going to be an architect house, so he's going to sit here probably with his architects. So we're going to have like 5 tables, very steady tables, to put all the drawing and plans on that. So this is our project. This basement looks great. 3 weeks ago, it used to be just bare ceiling, bare walls. Everything is brand new here. The team's doing an excellent job. Okay, right now we're in the first floor of the project. Everything that you see around here, you see we are in the middle of the construction work. So everything that you see here right now, we're installing brand new walls, brand new crown molding, ceiling, and the floor. We already installed the floor and we covered the floor just to make it clean. And this used to be here. The raining and spindle used to be here. We're going to stain it in the end of the project. We're going to apply a semi-transparent stain because they want to see the veins. Same thing on the stairs. They want to see the veins of the stairs, of the treads. So this section, we're going to restain it with a different color, but we're going to paint the spindles. Right now, we've got only 1 coat. 1 coat on the ceiling, 1 coat on the walls, and all the base molding. We're just receiving more delivery of the sheetrock. This goes to the basement. We've got another team in the basement, and we've got another team in the second floor to do the bathroom. So the house looks great. We've got here some kitchen cabinets project. We're looking good. Here the standing shower. All this is a brand new tiles. We install also, it's a tiny tile, so it's really time consuming. And this is the niche. They ask us to install like a tiny niche. Sometimes some client wants us to install niche like this big, to install like to put so many shampoos and soaps. But this is a tiny one. I mean, it's a tiny bathroom. This is a master bathroom, but this is a standing shower area. And then we've got all the system behind it to prevent water to go into the second room and into the first floor. So we've got here the Schluter. It's called the Schluter system. It's behind these walls, so it's already tested. No water go into the first floor. This is the most important, that you've got the cement board and the Schluter system behind it. And as you see here, this is just regular paint. The rest of the room, we just fix, prime, and paint. All this is a brand new drywall work. This is a brand new floor, brand new drywall, brand new fan. We installed it, we sand it, we prime it, and we paint it. Looking good. We have got an excellent team. We are in Princeton, New Jersey. Call us. We have truly the best bathroom installers.